What's up, legends? It's your boy Walter, back at it again. And let me tell you, I am hyped for this one. We're about to embark on a journey, a pilgrimage to one of the most awe-inspiring destinations on this planet, Machu Picchu. This isn't just another travel vlog, no way. This is about immersing ourselves in ancient history, vibrant cultures, and breathtaking scenery that will make you want to ditch your phone and soak it all in. We're talking Inca trails. We're talking bustling markets. We're talking llamas for crying out loud. Get ready to be amazed and challenged and have your mind blown wide open. This is the ultimate Machu Picchu adventure. And trust me, you don't want to miss a single second of it. Let's do this. Alright, first things first. We have to talk about Cusco. This city is not just a destination, it's an experience, a journey back in time. This city, guys, this city is like stepping back in time. Imagine walking through streets that have witnessed centuries of history. We're talking about the ancient Inca capital, a melting pot of history and culture, and the perfect launchpad for our Machu Picchu adventure. The blend of Inca and Spanish colonial architecture is simply breathtaking. As soon as you step off the plane, you can feel this energy, this vibe. It's like the city itself is welcoming you with open arms. The air is thinner up here, but it's like you're breathing in centuries of history. The Andes Mountains surrounding the city add to its majestic aura. The streets are a maze of cobblestones, the buildings are a mix of Spanish colonial and Inca architecture, and everywhere you look something screams, this place is old. It's like every corner has a story to tell. But it's not just about the past. Cusco is alive, has a vibrant pulse, and has an infectious pulse. The nightlife here is something you don't want to miss. The people here are warm, welcoming, and fiercely proud of their heritage. Their smiles and hospitality make you feel right at home. Street vendors sell everything from alpaca sweaters to handmade jewelry. Traditional music fills the air, and delicious Peruvian food wafts from every corner. It's a sensory overload in the best way possible. Trust me, you haven't lived until you've tried a plate of lomo saltado in Cusco. The flavors are out of this world, and it's the perfect way to end a day of exploring this incredible city. Now, no trip to Cusco is complete without hitting up the Plaza de Armas. This is the heart of the city, the central square where it all goes down. We're talking stunning colonial architecture, ornate cathedrals, and this incredible energy that just draws you in. You can spend hours here just people watching, soaking up the atmosphere, and grabbing some seriously good street food. And listen, if you're lucky enough to be there on a Sunday, you're in for a treat. That's when they have this huge market, and I'm talking huge. You can find anything and everything here, from traditional textiles and handicrafts to souvenirs and local delicacies. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way, and the perfect place to sharpen your haggling skills. Trust me, those vendors will try to get you, but be firm and fair, and you'll walk away with incredible treasures. Now, if you're looking for something a little more off the beaten path, a little more bohemian, you must check out the San Blas neighborhood. This area is like the artistic heart of Cusco, with narrow, winding streets, colorful buildings, and many art galleries, workshops, and cafes. You can spend hours getting lost in the maze of alleys, discovering hidden courtyards, and checking out the work of local artists. And let me tell you, the craftsmanship here is incredible. From intricate silverwork to vibrant textiles, you'll find something unique and special to take home. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, why not try your hand at a pottery class or a weaving workshop? You never know, you might discover your hidden artistic talent. Now, one thing you gotta be prepared for in Cusco is the altitude. This city sits over 11,000 feet, so it's no joke. For the first day or two, you might feel a bit breathless, lightheaded, and even nauseous. But don't worry, it's normal, and you can do things to help your body adjust. First things first, take it easy. Don't try to do too much too soon. Drink plenty of water, avoid alcohol for the first day or two, and listen to your body. The locals swear by coca tea. It's a traditional remedy for altitude sickness and works wonders, and trust me, you'll be good to go once you've acclimatized. Just remember to pace yourself, stay hydrated, and enjoy the ride. Alright guys, buckle up because we're about to step it up a notch. Today, we're venturing just outside Cusco to a place that'll make you question everything you thought you knew about ancient civilizations. Get ready to have your mind blown at Sacsayhuaman. This, my friends, is not just another pile of rocks. This Inca fortress is a testament to their architectural genius and a place that'll leave you speechless. We're talking massive stone walls, some weighing over 100 tons, fitted with such precision that you can't even slide a credit card between them. There is no mortar or cement, it is just pure Inca ingenuity. It's mind-boggling how they transported these stones, some from miles away, and then shaped them perfectly. This isn't just a simple adventure, it's an expedition into the unknown. Adventure awaits, and danger lurks around every corner. So grab your hat, hold on tight, and let's uncover the mysteries together. Now, historians will tell you that Sacsayhuaman was likely a military fortress guarding the Inca capital of Cusco. But honestly, no one knows for sure. The Incas didn't leave behind any written records, so we must piece together the puzzle from the ruins themselves. Some say it was a ceremonial site where the Incas held religious festivals and rituals. Others believe it was a royal estate, home to the Inca emperor and his court. Whatever its true purpose, one thing's for sure. Sacsayhuaman is a place of power. You can feel it in the air, in the weight of the stones, in the echoes of the past. It's a place that demands respect and forces you to confront the mysteries of history. Now every good historical site needs a good legend, right? Well, Sacsayhuaman doesn't disappoint. Legend has it that the fortress is guarded by the spirit of White Rock, a sacred being that protects the site from harm. They say that if you listen closely you can hear the rock whisper tales of the past, stories of Inca warriors, ancient rituals, of a time long gone. Now I don't know about you, but I'm a sucker for a good legend. And standing there, amidst those ancient stones, with the wind whipping through the Andes, it's easy to let your imagination run wild. But even if you're not into history or legends, Sacsayhuaman is worth a visit for the views alone. Perched high above Cusco, the fortress offers panoramic vistas of the city below, the surrounding mountains, and the sprawling Andes in the distance. It's the kind of view that makes you realize how small you are in the grand scheme of things. It's humbling, it's inspiring, and it's something you won't soon forget. So, take a deep breath, soak it all in, and appreciate the sheer magnitude of what you're witnessing. This is Sacsayhuaman, and it's a place that'll stay with you long after you've left. Alright guys, we're moving on from the epicness of Sacsayhuaman, and heading straight into another awesome spot on our Peruvian adventure Pisac. You know those places that just have a cool vibe right off the bat? That's Pisac. Nestled in the Sacred Valley, this town is a crazy mix of ancient ruins and buzzing market life. Trust me, you're going to want to experience this. We're talking vibrant colors, the smells of amazing street food, and rows upon rows of handcrafted goods. It's like stepping back in time, but with a lively energy that'll have you hooked. Get ready to haggle, because this is the place to snag some unique souvenirs. Okay, let's talk about this market because it's on another level. Forget your typical tourist traps, we're talking authentic Peruvian crafts. Think colorful, hand-woven textiles, intricate jewelry, and cool little trinkets you won't find anywhere else. You can spend hours getting lost in the maze of stalls and alleys. My advice, don't be afraid to haggle, it's part of the experience. Start low, be respectful, and you'll be surprised at what deals you can score. Just remember to bring cash, guys. Those handmade goods don't come with a credit card swipe. While you're wandering through this shopper's paradise, make sure to treat yourself to authentic Peruvian street food. Seriously, your taste buds will thank me later. Now after you've shopped till you dropped, it's time to work off all those empanadas. The Pisac ruins are just above the town, perched high on the mountainside. These ruins are no joke, guys. They were a crucial part of the Inca Empire, and you can feel the history as you walk through these ancient pathways and temples. The Incas knew how to pick a spot, that's for sure. Imagine climbing these ancient steps, feeling the wind in your hair, and suddenly, bam, this incredible view hits you. The whole Sacred Valley stretches out before you, lush and green. It's enough to take your breath away, trust me. But it's not just about the views. As you explore the Pisac ruins, you start to understand how strategically important this place was. The Incas built this place for a reason. It was a fortress, a temple complex, and a royal estate, all rolled into one. You can see the different levels, the agricultural terraces, and even what they think is a ceremonial bath. It's like stepping back in time. You can tell the Incas were masters of their craft. The stonework is mind-blowing, with these massive stones cut and fitted together perfectly without any mortar. How did they do it? It's a mystery that still blows my mind. So there you have it, guys. Alright guys, we've discussed Cusco, Sacsayhuaman, and Pisac, but these places are just the beginning of our journey through this incredible region. Now buckle up because we're entering the heart of the Sacred Valley. This place is a treasure trove of natural beauty and historical significance. Imagine this, rolling green hills, the Urubamba River snaking through them, and towering mountains piercing the sky. It seems almost too perfect to be accurate. It's like stepping into a postcard, except it's real and right there in front of you. Every corner of the Sacred Valley offers a new perspective and story. The Sacred Valley was the Inca Empire's breadbasket. Its terraced fields are a testament to the Incas' ingenuity and agricultural prowess. They grew everything here from potatoes, and you know how much they loved their potatoes, to quinoa and corn. These crops were essential to their diet and culture. It's crazy to think that centuries later, this land is still so fertile and full of life. The same fields that fed an empire sustain the local communities today. You can feel the energy and history here. It's almost as if the land itself whispers the stories of the past. It's in the air you breathe, the ground you walk on. Every step you take is a step back in time. And the best part is, you can experience it all. Whether you're an adventurer or a history buff, there's something here for everyone. Hike through ancient trails, bike along the river, or sit back and soak it all in. The Sacred Valley offers endless opportunities for exploration and relaxation. Trust me, the Sacred Valley is more than just a stop on the way to Machu Picchu. It's a destination that deserves its spotlight. It's an adventure where history and nature come together most spectacularly. Now let's talk about Ollantaytambo, or as the cool kids call it, Ollanta. This place is the definition of living history. I'm talking about cobblestone streets, Inca canals still flowing with water, and houses built right into the ancient ruins. Imagine walking down the same streets as the Inca did, feeling the weight of history with every step. And the best part? You can still see the original Inca city plan. It's like stepping back in time, but with, Wi-Fi and stuff. But Ollantaytambo isn't just about the past. It's a vibrant town with markets overflowing with colorful textiles, delicious street food, and friendly locals who are always down to share a story. Make sure to try the choclo while you're there. It's a local Andean snack, like a cross between a bean and a corn nut. Trust me, your taste buds will thank me later. You're in the Sacred Valley, surrounded by an incredible landscape, and you're probably wondering, what do I do with all this awesomeness? Well, my friend, let me tell you, the possibilities are endless. Feeling adventurous? Go whitewater rafting on the Urubamba River. It's a wild ride through stunning canyons and rapids that will leave you breathless. Or maybe you're more of a mountain person. Hike up to the salt mines of Maras. Thousands of salt pans are carved into the mountainside. It's like something out of a mysteries. But if you're like me and prefer your adventures a little more relaxed, no worries. The Sacred Valley has got you covered. Take a scenic bike ride through the countryside, stopping at local villages and soaking in the views. Or even better, saddle up and explore the valley on horseback, just like the Incas did. Whatever your style, the Sacred Valley has something for everyone. One of the things that makes the Sacred Valley so unique is the people. They've lived in harmony with this land for centuries, and their culture is deeply rooted in its rhythms. And trust me, these people know how to weave a good tale. Take some time to chat with the locals, learn a few Quechua phrases, maybe impress them with an alalanchu. That's how are you, in Quechua by the way. You'll be surprised by their warmth and how much they're willing to share. And speaking of sharing, don't miss out on the chance to experience a traditional Pachamama ceremony. It's a beautiful ritual where they thank Mother Earth for her blessings. It's a powerful reminder that we're all connected to nature. The Sacred Valley is more than just a place, it's a feeling. It gets under your skin and stays with you long after you've left. It's a reminder of the power of nature, the richness of culture, and the importance of connecting with something bigger than ourselves. Alright guys, we've made it. The moment you've all been waiting for Machu Picchu. This isn't just another tourist destination, it's a pilgrimage. A journey back in time to the heart of the Inca Empire. A place that's been shrouded in mystery for centuries. Imagine a city carved into the side of a mountain, hidden away in the clouds. A place so remote, so well preserved that it remained hidden from the world for centuries. That's Machu Picchu. It's like something out of an Indiana Jones movie, except it's real, and it's even more incredible in person. The first time I saw it, I was speechless. It's one thing to see pictures, but to be there, standing in the presence of such history, it's overwhelming in the best way possible. This isn't just about ruins and stones, it's about human ingenuity, about a civilization that thrived against all odds. It's about connecting with something bigger than ourselves, something ancient and powerful. Now, getting to Machu Picchu is an adventure in itself. You can hike the Inca Trail, a challenging but rewarding 4-day trek through breathtaking scenery. Imagine walking in the Inca's footsteps, passing ancient ruins and lush cloud forests. Or, if you're short on time or prefer your adventures with a little less sweat and blisters, you can always take the train. The train journey is an experience winding through the Sacred Valley, past rushing rivers and towering mountains. But let me tell you, no matter how you get there, that first glimpse of Machu Picchu through the sun gate is a moment you'll never forget. It's like the clouds parted, revealing this ancient city bathed in golden light. It's pure magic. And trust me, the magic doesn't stop there. Once inside the city, you'll be blown away by the intricate stonework, the ingenious agricultural terraces, and the breathtaking views. You've reached Machu Picchu, lifted your jaw off the floor, and are ready to explore. This ancient Incan city, perched high in the Andes, is a marvel of human ingenuity and natural beauty. Wander through the ruins of temples and palaces, imagining the lives of the people who once lived here. Picture the bustling activity, the rituals and the daily routines that filled these stone walls. Check out the Temple of the Sun, the Intihuatana stone, and the Room of the Three Windows. Each site holds a special significance and offers a glimpse into the Incas' spiritual and astronomical knowledge. Each structure has its own story to tell, its secrets to whisper. The intricate stonework and precise construction techniques testify to the advanced engineering skills of the Inca civilization. And don't forget to look up. The views from Machu Picchu are simply breathtaking. The surrounding landscape is a dramatic backdrop that enhances the mystical aura of this ancient city. You'll see the Urubamba River snaking through the valley below and the towering peaks of the Andes rising around you. The natural beauty here is as compelling as the ruins themselves. It's enough to make you feel small and insignificant yet connected to something much more significant than yourself. The sense of history and the grandeur of nature combine to create a truly humbling experience. But here's a pro tip. Get there early. The early morning light casts a magical glow over the ruins, making for a more peaceful experience. Like, early. I'm talking sunrise early. The first light of day brings a unique charm to Machu Picchu that you won't want to miss. Trust me, there's nothing quite like experiencing this place as the sun rises over the Andes, casting a golden glow over the ruins. It's a moment of pure magic. It's worth every bit of lost sleep and will give you a chance to soak in the atmosphere before the crowds arrive. The tranquility of the early morning hours allows you to connect deeply with this extraordinary place. Now, while Machu Picchu is the crown jewel of this region, don't forget that there's a whole lot more to explore beyond the ruins. If you're feeling adventurous, hike up Huayna Picchu, the iconic mountain towers over the city. It's a steep climb, but the views from the top are out of this world. Or if you're looking for a more chilled-out vibe, check out the Mandor Gardens, located just outside the main ruins. It's a peaceful oasis with waterfalls, orchids, and stunning views of Machu Picchu. Those who want to dive deeper into this place's history and mystery should visit the Machu Picchu Museum. I could spend hours discussing Machu Picchu, but some things are best experienced alone. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left, a reminder of the power of human ingenuity and the beauty of our planet. So, there you have it guys, your complete guide to the ultimate Machu Picchu adventure. From the vibrant culture of Cusco to the breathtaking ruins of Machu Picchu, this journey is one you won't soon forget. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Remember, life's too short to stay in one place. Pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to explore the wonders of Machu Picchu. Thank you for watching.